Okay, hi guys. Today same day. It's just like 10 minutes later, probably more. But anyways, today I'm going to attempt to burp the alphabet. Yeah, burp the alphabet. Sorry, I keep looking over this way. It's just there's like a huge diamond. I'll just show you it here. Fudge. Ooh, pretty big. And this memory stick that I got from Skip. Sorry, that's upside down. That's backwards, but it says X12. Got this rubber band. This really epic snow globe. It's like got wee glittery stuffs in it. See that? Oh yeah. But that's why I'm looking everywhere. I also got this, my dad's iPhone. Fudge. By the way, the picture of that kid is me with my new yellow belt that I got not that long ago actually. But yeah, and I also got the Taekwondo license to prove it. It says Taekwondo Federation, International Taekwondo Federation, United Kingdom Taekwondo Centres. You probably all know that I'm from the UK. That's the inside. There's the man who invented it, General Che Hung Hee. Based. Anyway, it was only invented in 1955. So I've been talking about all that crap, but anyways, let's get to it. Burping the alphabet. 3, 2, 1.
A, B, 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 C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Wait.
L, M, N, O, P, O, S, T, T, U, V, W, U, X, Y, Y, Z.
That was the alphabet burp. But the Q and the W were kind of hard to do because like Q's kind of just hard, and W you have to do W, which isn't really that easy to be honest. Well, that's it. Goodbye.